in order to do the AC recharge, we're going to start with this 60 bucks at Autozone with a $10 core return refund. Then to start off, we have to start the car, put it on the lowest setting. 60 I believe is the lowest, and then at the strongest setting as far as ventilation. And then once we do that, then we could start pulsating this about every 2 or 3 seconds. So let's get started. Empty. All right. So it wasn't working before at all. It was just hot. It's a little bit cooler now, not crazy cool, but it's for sure a noticeable difference. Big time, actually, I would say. Maybe if I do half of one more, it'll be ice cold. Maybe one whole one. So as you can see, when the AC would engage, you would see that it would drop. I think that was the true level. So I think I got it maybe halfway or a little under half, based on how it would shift. So I don't see any leaks so far, but yeah, it's better for sure than before. Not as cold, but much better. So hopefully this helped you guys out. It's working fine now. And yeah, man, I think it's good. So this is an 03, did it in 2024. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Like again, this is just 50 bucks at Autozone for the Tahoe. It's R134A. I had them look it up, and yeah, man, it's working well. So